Holy crap, look at the difference. Yes, it still has pits. You can't do anything about that. But look at how nice this part cleaned up. All the way around. Wow. And the chain guard. This is gonna look a lot more than 20% better. All right, YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave. Like it always is. Like it's been since 1979.
No shit, Sherlock.
And you found do-it-yourself, do it right. And well, I got a new Suzuki hat. Got it for Christmas. Figured I'd make a Suzuki video by now, but I went and hurt myself. I did it right. I'm gonna tell you about it right now. Alright, so what did I do? Well, I blew my back muscles out. I basically shot them into outer space.
Your beam guy rocket.
And it's an old Vietnam injury. It's actually not true. I did hurt it in the military though. I threw my back out when I was a wee lad. And it's just, it's been a ongoing issue ever since. I hadn't had an issue in a while, and by a while I mean, wow, probably a good 12, 13 years. So I thought I was in the clear. And well, Friday, January 5th, it's now February something, and I went to bend over to pick up a trunk, believe it or not, an empty trunk, and just. You know how it happens. You got a bad back, you know what I mean. It's like, you can't move, and your life sucks for the next month. So what happened was I had a herniated disc. I think I herniated 2 discs. Went to urgent care. Went to emergency room. I went to the VA emergency room twice and got a bunch of meds. I've been laying on the couch. Well, I laid on the couch for 2 weeks, doing exercises, icing, all that good stuff you do when you have a messed up back. So I didn't get to mess around with the old Suzuki like I had planned. This is how I left the Suzuki on January 5th. And, I was doing some off-camera work, and let me tell you what I was doing, because I can't really sit too long because the back muscles are still not great. All right, so what did I do? Well, I took off basically all the chrome parts, these, and the exhaust over there, and I took them up to the place of employment, and I just went to scrubbing on them with a SOS pad in a nice warm hanger with hot water, and look how nice they come out. They come out, that fender is obviously, the chrome where it peeled up, you can't do anything about. But the fender, it's in good shape. Same with the chain guard. And both mufflers, they came out really nice. On the inside, they're equally the same, both of them. I got into the bike, as you can see. Obviously I had to take it all apart, checking on wiring, just looking everything over, and I noticed, well, this foot peg is, cocked forward. That foot peg over there is pushed in, and it's stopping the brake from coming all the way up. Didn't really notice that when I was going over the bike before. And that goes right along with the headlight that I noticed was a, and then, you know, there's a dent in the fender here. So all the clues are leading me to believe that the bike had been dropped or laid down or something. There's no real road rash, so I'm guessing it had dropped or fallen over or something. Maybe twice, maybe 3 times, I don't know. But all in all, after looking at everything, it's still in good shape. You know, I'm still digging it. While I was laying my big ass on the couch, I figured I'd go ahead and order some parts that I knew that I needed. You know, why not? So I went ahead and found a brake light. Well, a brake light switch, I should say. The brake light switch on this one is missing. It's supposed to go right up in here, like so, somehow. Like so, I think. And that part here comes down to that part there, and you know, and you gotta hook it up, and you know, you use your brake lights. So I got that. I also got a new oil cap, because the oil cap over there is split and it's gonna leak oil everywhere. What else did I get? I got other stuff. What did I get? The new rubbers for the carburetors. These rubbers are all worn out. You know, you can't use worn out rubbers.
That's what she said.
And that's about all, I think. The other parts that I ordered were all for the Honda. The CB360 build. Links to that if you're, you know, first time viewer. Check that out. The bike is sitting over here because it's almost done. And yeah, so that's where I've been for the last month. I do have videos already loaded on the Honda, so you will be getting those videos, but unfortunately, until my back feels a lot better, there's not going to be too many more videos coming out. The next video will be on the Suzuki. I'm going to do a compression check before I really tear into the heads. I mean, all indications are showing that the head gasket is blown, but it has good compression. I just don't know the compression numbers. I want to know the numbers before I tear into it, so I can compare. I'll pull the heads off, pull the jugs off. I'm going to replace the upper and lower gaskets on both of them. I already have those. I ordered those a while ago when I first got the bike because I was pretty sure that was the issue. And here they are right here. Got both sets, upper and lower. Put them in a pile of parts. So that's going to be the next one. I'm going to do a compression check. Check the numbers, left, right cylinder, and then probably tear into the heads. Get them off, replace the gaskets. See if it'll run again. See if we can lose some of that smoke. So, if you guys are into these old bikes, if you're like me, you like old Suzukis and old Hondas. I'm more of a Honda guy than I'm a Suzuki. This was just a impulse purchase buy. It was cheap on Marketplace. It was kind of far away, but a couple $100. You can't go wrong. A couple $100 for a 71 Suzuki 2-stroke 350 T350. Yeah, I'll drive all day long. So, like I said, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell. There will be more videos. Just, I just got to get feeling better. It is a beautiful day out for February. So I'm kind of outside getting some fresh air. But like always, till next time, thanks a lot. Got the side covers sanded and painted. I went with black so it'll match the blue tank, and they should look pretty spiffy.